Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm excited you've joined us, because today we're tackling one of the most fundamental tools in Power BI, the M language in Power Query. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what M language is, where it shows up in Power BI and Excel, and why learning the basics will seriously level up your data transformation skills. Let's dive right in. So first things first, what exactly is *M language? Well, the M in M language stands for Power Query Formula Language. If you've ever worked inside Power BI, Excel's Power Query, or tools that deal with extracting, transforming, and loading data, you've been using M under the hood, even if you didn't realize it. Every time you filter some rows, sort a column, or merge two tables together in Power Query, it quietly builds up a set of M instructions in the background. Think of M as the recipe behind the steps you're taking. It ensures every transformation is carefully remembered and repeatable. But what does M actually do for you? At its core, it's all about transforming and cleaning your data. Imagine you're handed messy data from various sources. Maybe one table has extra duplicate rows, or you need to split full names into first and last, or perhaps your sales tables need merging. M language is the secret sauce that helps you reshape, filter, and combine that information, all with precision. It goes a step further, too. While Power Query's interface lets you accomplish most tasks with a click or two, you might eventually find you need something more advanced, like creating a custom function or conditional column that's not possible within the UI. This is where M shines. It allows you to customize almost any transformation, putting powerful tools right at your fingertips. Now you may wonder, how do you actually see or use M language in Power BI? To get started, you'll want to open the Power Query editor. Just head up to the Home tab in Power BI Desktop and click Transform Data. This opens a whole new window where your data transformations come to life, and behind the scenes, every change you make is logged as a step in M. At the top of this window, you've got the formula bar. If you don't see it, you can easily enable it by going to the View menu and checking Formula Bar. The formula bar will display the M code for whatever transformation step you're on, say, removing duplicates or splitting columns. The beauty here is you're not stuck with what Power Query generates. You can tweak or rewrite the M code directly, giving you more control for quick tweaks. But what if you want to see the big picture, all your steps and transformations in one script? That's where the Advanced Editor comes in. Still in Power Query Editor, navigate to Home and select Advanced Editor. This brings up the full M script for your query. Here you can modify existing steps, write customized queries, or even create functions, totally manual and incredibly flexible. Think of it like being able to see and edit the entire recipe for your favorite dish, instead of just individual ingredients. And this isn't limited just to Power BI. In Excel, you find M language in Power Query too. It's basically the same setup. Go to Data, click on Get Data, and start transforming just like you would in Power BI. The Formula Bar and Advanced Editor are both there. The Formula Bar for quick step-by-step adjustments and the Advanced Editor for deeper, full script control. So where do you actually use M language? If you need to make a quick edit, maybe change a column name or filter out some data, the Formula Bar is your best friend. For custom queries, advanced logic, or when you want to rearrange or troubleshoot several steps at once, the Advanced Editor gives you full creative control. Don't worry if this all feels like a lot. Take your time exploring, and remember, a little experimentation goes a long way. Alright, that wraps up our beginner's guide to M language in Power Query. If you found this helpful, remember to hit that like button, and if you have any questions or need clarification on specific steps, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more Power BI tutorials. See you in the next video.